Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Siemens DCA system hemoglobin kit. So as you can see, this is the top and this is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the details. As you can see, this is the Siemens DCA system and hemoglobin A1c kit. You can see the reference number here 10698915, and you can see all the other details present over here. This is a 10 test kit. Let me show you the top. So as you can see, this is the Siemens DCA system hemoglobin A1c reagent kit. You can see the reference number here 10698915. You can see the lot number and the expiry date over here. So let me show you the size of the kit. So this is the Siemens DCA hemoglobin kit. You can see all the other details are present over here. Then we have the pack contents, the reagent kit. Then we have a lot of things which are written here in multi-language. You can see it here, you can see this here. Then at the other side we have the IVD and the registration format. We have the temperature control and the manufacturing address. You can see this is manufactured by Siemens Healthcare Diagnostics from USA, New York. So guys, let me open this box for you. So as you can see on the top, you can see an IFE brochure for the Siemens DCA system hemoglobin reagent kit. You can see the catalog number and you can see the brochure is neatly packed. Every content in the brochure is very neatly packed. So let me keep this here. Okay. Then we have a list of reagents. Now you can see the expiry date and the lot number. You can see there are small reagents which comes with it. So these are the reagents. So let me keep the reagents here. Then there is a small calibration card. You can see this is the small calibration card. It contains all the details how to use it. The Siemens DCA system hemoglobin A1c calibration card. See, let me keep the calibration card here. And then we have the DCA system hemoglobin A1c the kit. You can see this is the kit. You can see this is nicely packed. You can see all the things which are engraved here. See, perfectly preserved, perfectly covered. You can see all the details present here with all the serial number, the lot number and all the other details. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the Siemens DCA system hemoglobin A1c kit. As you can see, this kit comes with 10 of these reagents. Then there is a pack insert IFE brochure. Then we have the calibration card. Then we have 10 of these reagent steps. So together they make the entire hemoglobin A1c reagent kit for the DCA system for Siemens. Thank you.